Hi everyone, I'm Pallavi Iyengar. Let's make a cheesy kachori. I will be making cheese kachori. So come, let's get started. Let's add ghee. And to the ghee, let's add crushed coriander seeds. To this, let's add some ginger, finely chopped ginger, and some finely chopped garlic. Finely chopped green chillies as per taste, and a pinch of asafoetida, that's hing. And we'll just mix this. Now let's add some onions. So to the onions, I'm just going to add a pinch of salt. And we cook this till the onions turn translucent. So the onions are looking nice. All we have to do now is switch the gas off. I have a bowl here. We're just going to transfer this mixture into the bowl to cool. So that's it. All we have to do now is keep this aside till it cools down completely. Then we add the cheese. So the onion mixture has cooled down completely. Now let's get to the cheese bit. I'm going to grate processed cheese. This much should be enough. To this, let's also add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. And let's just mix this well. The mixture is looking nice. So the mixture is done. Now let's start making the kachoris. Now for the kachori dough, I have a khasta dough here, which means this has maida, which is refined flour, ghee, salt and water, and you knead it to a stiff dough. So as you can see, it's quite stiff. So all we're going to do is take a portion and you shape it into a ball. So every time you're making kachori or samosas, ensure that you grease it with some ghee or oil. Never use flour. So we're just going to grease the worktop with some ghee and the dough as well. And now you make it into a small disc. This is good. And now what you do is you press the mixture slightly and you bring the edges to the center like so. And all you do is press and seal. Ensure that you're sealing it properly. Similarly, we'll start making the remaining as well. And this is looking good. The oil is hot enough. Now we gently slide in the kachoris. Just gently swirl it. As they start to fry, as they start to cook, slowly they'll rise and start floating, and that's when you know that they are ready. So the kachoris are looking nice and golden brown and they have started to float. Now let's drain them. So there you have it, cheese kachoris are now ready to be served. Do try this recipe because it's cheesy and tasty.